What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are going to do a comparison video between the Mi Band 4 and the Samsung Fit. Let's check them out. So it's always been my goal or my tendency to kind of just give you guys the what I like, or the why this is good, or why this one is better than this one, or why this one is better than this one. That's my goal in my videos. With that being said, I am not going to drill you guys with specs on these two devices. They're both good devices. They both are made by pretty good companies. They're both durable. They're both fit bands. Bluetooth connectivity. They're both waterproof, so on and so forth. I'm not going to get into the, oh, this one goes up to 5 meters underwater, or this one does this for this long, or I'm not going to give you guys all that. I'm going to keep this short, simple, and straight to the point. The average consumer wants to know, is this thing going to get the job done? And is it going to be affordable? That's what people want to know. Over here, Samsung, great product, costs you $100. Over here, Mi Band 4, great product also. It's going to cost you $40. Right there, no brainer. Mi Band is cheaper. It's going to do the exact same thing. Now, only problem I have with Mi Band is there is no way to set the screen duration on it. So when you hit that screen, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 seconds you're going to get. You cannot change that. With Samsung, you can actually go in, customize this, change that. I have mine on 10 seconds right now. 10 seconds is enough to glance down, see what's going on, get it out of the way, and know what you did or know what you have to do. As far as looking at exercises, Samsung went way out of the box and they put every exercise known to man in this thing. They got cycling, they got kayaking, they got running, they got weightlifting. Anything that you can think of, Samsung added. Over here, you just got running, walking. I think you got about 6 or 7. So that's another difference. There are only subtle differences to these devices. The Mi Band over here, it has tons of functionality, guys. You have a whole app you can set up. I've done 4 reviews. You go check my review out. You can see all that stuff. I'm not doing that here. I'm telling you which one of these is going to be best for your dollar. In my opinion, Mi Band is going to be better. $40 over here, no brainer. $100 over here for the same thing, same product. It's waterproof, yes. This is waterproof, yes. They both connect through Bluetooth, yes. Samsung won't allow you to change your song or your music. Mi Band will. You can change your music, song, anything from here. Like I said, the only issue I really have out of Mi Band is the screen duration. Other than that, it's a perfect device. Samsung still has some work to do, and with a higher price point, I think that should have been included on this Samsung device. Also, with the Mi Band 4, they boast it has a 20-day battery life. Now, I know from previously using the Samsung that it has about a 8-day, 7-day, 8-day battery life. I went about 8 days before I had to charge it up for the very first time. But 20 days versus the 8-day battery life, I think that's a great deal for your buck over here. So you heard it here. I'm not going to give you long drawn out speech, long drawn out B-roll, none of that footage. I'm going to tell you Mi Band 4 is going to be the best buy for you because it has the same function, does the exact same thing, and it's going to be way cheaper. Over half the price cheaper. $40 over here, $100 over here. You do the math. Which one do you want on your arm? So I'm going to leave the links to these individual reviews below. You can go and check them out for yourself. But for right now, I'm telling you, Mi Band 4, pick it up. Go check Amazon out. Get you one. It's comfortable on the arm. It's waterproof. Bluetooth connectivity. Changes your music. Only issue, screen duration. Screens are exactly the same size. Nothing else changes except that price. $100 over here. $40 over here. You do the math. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.